Divide 972 by 4 in a long division method. 4 times 2 is 8. On subtracting, we get 1. So now, this 1 is less than 4. So we put down the 7 and it is 17. 4 times 4 is 16. On subtracting, we get 1. So again this 1 is less than 4. So we put down this 2 and it is 12. 4 times 3 is 12. On subtracting, we get 0. So 972 divided by 4 is 243. So this much for today and thanks for watching.